Tired of being tired? You're not alone. Millions struggle with sleep, and many turn to pills or supplements just to get some rest. But here's the good news: there are natural, proven ways to improve your sleep without meds. Here's how to fall asleep faster, sleep deeper, and wake up feeling better, naturally. Let's go step by step. Step 1. Fix your sleep schedule. Your body loves rhythm. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends, trains your internal clock. Start by choosing a target wake-up time and sticking to it. This helps your body naturally feel sleepy at the right time each night. Step 2. Get sunlight early in the day. Sunlight in the morning resets your circadian rhythm. It tells your brain, hey, it's time to be awake now, which helps you feel sleepy later at night. Try getting 10 to 20 minutes of natural light soon after waking up. If you can't get outside, sit near a window or use a daylight lamp. Step 3. Cut screens 1 hour before bed. Phones, TVs, and laptops give off blue light, which tricks your brain into staying awake. That late-night scroll? It's wrecking your melatonin. Instead, switch to a low-light activity, reading a physical book, journaling, light stretching, or deep breathing. Bonus, use night mode or blue light filters if you must use screens late. Step 4. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. The goal is to signal your brain, it's time to wind down. Keep it simple: dim the lights, make a cup of herbal tea, like chamomile or peppermint, listen to calming music or white noise, practice deep breathing or gratitude. Even just 15 to 30 minutes of routine helps your mind and body shift gears. Step 5. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Your environment matters more than you think. Ideal sleep temp? Around 18 to 20 degrees Celsius, 64 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Use blackout curtains or an eye mask to block light. Use earplugs or a fan to block noise. And ditch the clutter. Your bedroom should feel like a calm cave, not a storage room. Step 6. Watch what you eat and drink. Avoid heavy meals, caffeine, and alcohol late in the day. Caffeine can stay in your system for 6 to 8 hours, so try cutting off coffee by 2 p.m. Alcohol might make you drowsy, but it disrupts deep sleep. Instead, try a light snack like Greek yogurt, almonds, or banana if you're slightly hungry before bed. Bonus tip: don't stress if you can't sleep. Lying awake and getting frustrated makes it worse. Instead, get up, do something relaxing in dim light, then try again. Over time, your body will relearn how to fall asleep, naturally. Better sleep doesn't start with a pill, it starts with small habits. Fix your routine. Respect your rhythm. Build the right environment. That's how you improve sleep, naturally, and for life. Sweet dreams, and if this helped, like, share, and follow for more wellness tips.